The best local app for your phone or tablet is Crossroads Today.
Hello and welcome to Community Crossroads. I'm Carolina Astrain. On this week's show, we hear from our friends at Nazareth Academy. They're celebrating 158 years here in the Crossroads. We also hear from a local author, and we hear from our friends in Bloomington. And first, we start with Nazareth. We're welcoming Nazareth Principal Leslie New. Welcome, Leslie.
Hi, thank you for having me.
It's great to have you here, and congratulations to Nazareth for 158 years. Wow, what a legacy.
Yes, this month we're celebrating a big one.
And before it became integrated, Nazareth served as the all-girls Catholic school, and St. Joseph High School served as the all-boys Catholic school.
Yes.
But that changed.
That changed in the 70s. We were founded in 1867 by the Sisters of the Incarnate Word and Blessed Sacrament, and we were an all-girls school until the 70s. And then we became co-ed, and we are still teaching students in grades pre-K 3 through 8th grade.
And pre-K 3 through 8th grade.
Okay. Boys and girls.
So after that, you can choose if you want to go to public high school or St. Joseph High School.
We feed into St. Joseph Catholic High School, but some of our students attend local Victoria public schools too.
Excellent. And you have an information night coming up.
Yes, we have our open house on Sunday, January 19th from 2 to 4 p.m. for prospective parents.
More like afternoon?
Yes,
Very
Sunday
nice.
afternoon, yes.
Something easy to catch right after Mass on a Sunday.
That's right, yes.
What can parents expect at the open house?
They'll be learning more about our curriculum, kind of our Nazareth family, and all of our information is on our website too if anyone would like to get a head start on learning about us.
Take a look at the tuition, any scholarships available.
Yes, tuition assistance, yes.
And what is the average classroom size at Nazareth?
We cap at 20, so we have a very small teacher-student ratio.
And you have some of the nuns and actual clergy members that are part of the educational staff.
Yes, that's right, yes. They're on campus and they're an integral part of our campus life.
And y'all also are one of the few places in town where you can still learn cursive.
That's right, yes. We've been providing traditional Catholic education for 158 years.
Wow. So if your family happens to not be Catholic, is it still something that
absolutely
can be considered if you're practice another faith?
Yes, we have about 60% Catholic students and 40% non-Catholic students.
Non-Catholic students. And what other programs should we know about when it comes to Nazareth?
We do have pre-K 3, entering 3-year-olds entering pre-K 3 through 8th grade. We have athletics for our junior high, 6th through 8th grade, and many other student organizations.
What's the mascot?
Jets.
The Jets.
Yes, we're the Jets.
The Nazareth Jets. And I love the uniforms.
Yes.
It's a beautiful private school right in the heart of downtown Victoria.
That's right. We're very fortunate to be located where we are, right in the middle of all of our community's history.
Well, let's go ahead and remind our viewers it's from 2 to 4 p.m.
Yes.
On Sunday,
January 19th.
January 19th. It's coming up.
Yes, yes.
Well, thank you so much, Principal New, and I hope you'll have a great year celebrating 158 years here in the Crossroads.
Thank you so much.
All right, well, coming up, don't go anywhere. We hear from a local author. We'll be right back.